camber covered up right now, so if we have a little bit of camber issue, that's because we got a little bit of sprinkles coming out right now. So if the camber does get off the field, that's because we're trying to cover it up right now, making sure it doesn't get wet. We do have a little bit of sprinkles out there right now.
This is how legends are made.
Compact's going to go down to the start cone here on the front straightaway. Once again, race fans, we do thank and appreciate you for joining us as we're trying to beat the rain here at the Adams County Speedway tonight. We're not just racing on the track, Cole. We're racing Mother Nature.
Yeah, I did check radar. Looks like it's just barely going to skirt north of us, but
yep.
Fingers crossed.
We're going to keep racing as much as we can here before we lose the racetrack. Just a little bit of sprinkles coming out, but we're down to the start cone. We are in green flag racing. It's like rush hour traffic there. He took the express lane right there through the center. Owen Richards, great start for the 69. We're going 3 wide with him and Hannon and Hoover. Now Andrew Akers, they have the old decals. Andrew Akers got the old shining decals. I say that, Andrew Akers off the top. Oh my goodness.
How did he say that?
Wow.
It looks like
so he'll get an extra 25 bucks. All right, 11 laps to go. Down to the start cone, Dusty Shepherd. Out front, Keegan Russell and Owen Richards. If Owen Richards gets a start like he did last time, watch out, he might take the race lead. He timed that outside. Russell's going to keep that spot down there towards the bottom. Dusty Shepherd right there rotates the car. Into 3 and 4 to go. Locked and hold 10 to go. Dusty Shepherd out here.
Akers is looking to the inside of Richards for that first one. Now goes alongside the center place runner. Shepherd getting a huge run down the back straightaway. They'll take that race lead. Ryan goes just into 3 and 4. Russell flying in a nice line right down there on the bottom. Shepherd trying to keep the momentum up top. In third, it is in
the Speedway, Owen Richards is off the top side. You have got a new race leader. Didn't even see it. The 77-51 Russell takes the race lead down the front straightaway. Andrew Akers is right there as well. You got 2 off the top. Windmills, man. And windmills, man. Creates a vortex.
the last junctions. Hoover looked to the inside of Akers, but he was not able to make anything happen.
Back up front, the hallucination car, I'm going to call it, 28 Acres. Right there on the bottom, he is your now your second place That would explain the all low and no go.
4-car breakaway here out of new leaders. Shepherd, he gets really loose right at the time of typical line, you see the compacts is over here. You can tell the track has some grip right here. It's got way loose deeper in the pack. Everybody's going to hang on to it.
He just a handful of steering wheel over there at 3 and 4. Back up front, Keegan Russell still your race leader. Guys watching the replay. That's his new nickname. We're calling him the hallucinator.
He found some funny mushrooms up there. He's been here pretty scared. That's
Right there, he's reeling him in.
dipping ever so slightly. Right now, it looks like his car is just better through the corners. He's exiting lower. I believe is he going to be able to get to the inside? Not right.
He and Russell won the car. Absolutely hauling the nail out the field. You can see it. So we need a
corn stalk.
yeah, something. We need to get a sponsor.
The Iowa corn chew stock.
Yeah,
There you go.
chew stock. The chew stock. Hoover now pokes his nose to the outside, not going to make it stick though, as Justin Shepard gets his run there in 3 and 4. Shepard right there in that all white tuxedo car. Hoover right to the outside. It was a sight.
So it's all 4-second right now as Akins just ran away from your second and third place drivers as they come off corner number 4. Akins going to see the left back of the Is he going to have anything for the leader down here for the final time?
28 Andrew Akers. I believe that's the first night on the car, off the corner. We have got a couple spinners deeper in the field. Huge contact with Andrew Akers. 91 of Columbia Kiedis. Huge contact with Brett.